Hi guys, my name is Uman Zakaria and welcome back to my channel. Hari ni aku nak share dengan korang a little bit of my experience dengan kamera ZV-E10 that I am currently using. The one yang I guna ni adalah lens yang didatangkan bersama this camera in the first place, iaitu kit lens yang paling basic. So what happened was, a couple of days ago before I datang KL, I decided untuk pergi to this one Latte Kashmir yang actually nak kata dekat dengan rumah tu tak dekat sangat, but I decided to go because I feel like maybe before I datang KL I can macam dapatkan content untuk I post dekat YouTube dan juga another social media yang I ada. But then the problem is this camera dia macam terhentak dekat batu. Dia tak adalah terhentak kuat sangat, but then I believe the lenses memang agak sensitive. Not just this one, I think every other lenses pun mungkin agak sensitive kan. That's why dia tiba-tiba rosak. So this is the one yang rosak, this one. And currently I am using the new one yang I beli dekat Shopee. So this lens dia, I tak tahu lah, mungkin dekat pasaran dia agak susah untuk dapat, because when I cari tu dia macam tak ada yang new. I believe the one yang I beli ni pun bukan yang baru, walaupun dia cakap new. I don't think so, I don't know. Cuma new kan, how do I say it, I macam tak kisah sangat walaupun dia tak new. But then kalau dia works properly, I think it's worth it untuk I beli. Sebab I don't really wanted to buy an upgraded lenses buat masa sekarang, sebab I am not even doing a lot of stuff. Cuma I nak buat vlogs dan juga untuk rakam a little bit of video macam me talking in front of a camera. I think this one is quite fine dah. Kalau I nak spend untuk ada lenses yang mungkin upgraded, the one yang I boleh buat ambil gambar haiwan or telephoto, something like that ke, maybe in the future. But for now I think yang ni dah okay. So bila I jumpa dekat Shopee tu dengan harga yang agak murah, I feel like macam okay, why don't just beli and tengok whether it's worth it or not. So I dah beli dengan harga yang murah, which is about 500 over, dan dia working properly as per now. I think it's okay. Kalau I post dekat YouTube nanti, I tak tahu macam mana, sebab this is like my first time rakam after I bought the lens. So what I'm trying to say here is that lens ni agak sensitive juga. So for those yang macam guna camera, you have to be really careful dan make sure that you take care of the lenses lah, so dia tak jadi macam I. So yeah, I think this is it. This is the video yang I nak buat hari ini. Hopefully you guys yang always support me, walaupun followers tak ramai lagi, subscribers pun sikit, you can keep supporting me. InsyaAllah in the future we'll be doing a lot of other videos as well.